How to turn off in-app purchases on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device, and here scroll down and tap on the screen time option you see there. Further, scroll down again and you will see the option for content and privacy restrictions. So tap on the content and privacy restrictions option you see there, and then tap on the iTunes and App Store purchases option. Further, tap on the in-app purchases option, and now go ahead and make sure that the don't allow option is selected, and if not, then select the don't allow option, and with this, in-app purchases will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off in-app purchases on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.